No, I know. Be careful. We got the boy Kirsten. How you doing today, bro? Bro, the bike feels so dialed, dude. Holy shit. You gonna try it, Kirsten, or?
I don't think I can. I'm gonna try.
Hey, be safe on that bad boy. Oh my gosh, Kirsten on a big 650, dude. What the hell? Oh boy. Be careful. Woo! Yeah, that's a big boy right there. Yeah. What? Oh, I bet, bro. It looks huge on you. It's crazy how big that thing is.
It's not smooth, it's just like, that shit heavy.
Bro,
He had it a little bit.
you gotta bring, like, to keep it up, it's
You
gotta
gotta
be
bring it
so
straight,
high.
Oh, yeah.
It's on easy mode?
Yeah, there's a light on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Big 650. What?
A little shaky in the front because I hit a curve pretty hard.
Damn. You good? You didn't get hurt or nothing?
No.
Alright, we're on a freaking sport bike. Holy crap, bro. Kirsten on my big 450. Sheesh. Woo! Yo, he bouncing on that thing, dog. Damn, that was gnarly. Dude, I can't even talk when I'm on this bike. That's how like scared I am. Does it have ABS brakes?
Yeah.
Ah, I felt that. It's like it doesn't lock.
it.
Yeah. You can't. There's no like a plug to undo.
There it is.
You never thought about doing it?
It routes to here and then
You can't just unplug it, or
I think it would just be unscrewing it because it's just the sensor that goes around.
ah, you never thought about doing that? I don't know if it'll fuck up like the ECU and shit, but it will help a lot just for like how it feels when you're riding. Look at freaking Kirsten, dog. Oh, you got the RC car?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, that's dope.
Huh?
It's fast?
Yeah.
Is that, it got slicks on it?
Yeah.
What the hell? That's like a real drag car. You're heating up the tires and everything.
Yeah, it's a rubber tire.
Wow, that's nutty. You be racing other people? Like other RC people?
Yeah, the next weekend is I bend the Seminole.
I wonder if it's hard to control like going straight though. Straight. Oh my god.
Yep.
Shit.
Same problem. Fast.
Dang.
Yeah.
2 miles per hour.
Stop for the...
That was 32 right there?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, the mid track, the 66 foot
Yeah.
is 71,
72 miles per hour. Damn. So we got the big YZ450 right here, and there's a few secret mods I did to this which made the bike feel completely different. Alright, so if y'all are wondering, yo, MotoBroo, what mods did you do? What are you talking about? Why does the bike feel completely different? I'm gonna let you know right now, and it comes down to your frickin' chain and how far back the wheel is. So before, I had my wheel all the way back, like this block was, you can even see, it was sticking out. And my chain was pretty loose. And my boy Tater, he was like, bro, you need to push that thing in, tighten your chain up a little bit, and it will just make the whole bike feel completely dialed. So I was like, you know what, Tater, I'm gonna try out your advice. I'm gonna do it. So that's what we flipping did, bro. We put the chain tighter and we moved the wheel in. And now it just feels like a completely different bike. Like, it even swerves way sharper. Like, I don't know, it just doesn't feel like, the bike don't feel stretched. I'm telling you, this flipping mod right here, just tightening this chain, moving the wheel a little bit in, it is a game changer. I highly suggest you try it on your bike if it's not already like that. It just makes the bike feel so much tighter and more responsive, bro. That's the word. More responsive. You see my boy Kirsten? Woo! Is today your first day with the brakes or no? First day with the brakes? Yeah. Yeah. He just put all these new stump parts on his DRZ. And it's a little scary because, like, you don't know how anything feels. Everything's so brand new to you. You say what?
You wanna try?
You want me to try it? I mean, sure.
Yeah, but I think for me it's more better. It's very important.
It's more sensitive, right? Yeah. Yeah. I got no kickstand. Hey, be careful on my baby.
I don't wheel it. Dude.
You can wheel it, just be careful. Look, you got here. Boy, got stump parts everywhere. Bro, I love the DRZ, dude. I can't get enough of this. It's so smooth, bro. Feels good. Hey, how does this feel compared to the DRZ?
More power.
A lot of power, right? It's almost too much.
No.
You like it?
Yeah.
I feel like you could do this. Just put it in gear right away and just go. Yo, I thought he was gonna freaking go down right there, bro. Yes, sir, DRZ gang. You about to hop on her, brother?
No.
Hey, be careful, cause she's a whole new beast now after them mods, bro. Them mods changed this thing up, bro, I swear. Alright, I'm gonna put this thing in low power mode. That's when, like, the light's on. So if you see the light on, that's my, like, low powered map. But, like, the difference ain't really that much. Alright, we're gonna get a little clip on homies R650. Woo! Alright, that's good, brother. That's the thing, bro. I'm almost scared to ask some people for clips because I know they want to, you know, floss out a little bit, and I don't want them to go past their limit and you know. Look, we got homie on this car. Are we taking some videos? Looks clean, bro. Let's go. It's on bags, I'm guessing?
Yeah, it's on back.
Shit's clean. Oh, you making a little video?
No, I'm just gonna take some pictures.
Oh yeah, bro. Woo! DIC love out here, boy. He chilling too. Woo! Got hit in the face with something, bro. Ouch. I seen you getting them combos, bro. I was like, I'm scared.
And then switch, and then come from here and then that like that.
No, yeah. Dude, you freaking, my fender don't like that, Ed.